we're going to Imats, guys. Kia, are you okay on camera? Welcome to Imats. It's huge, 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 huge. So we're here at this new company, and Kia's picking out. Say hey. Hi. Say hey, Pink Squad. Hey. Okay. Hey, Pink Squad. What color is that, Kia? Pretty.
It was the second one.
Well, I just watch them on YouTube.
Let's see all your arms, all the colors on your arms. All these pretty colors, guys. Make sure you check them out.
We just launched yesterday. We're online right now. We're based out of California, cruelty free, and we're vegan friendly. So
see, guys, check them out. Imats Cosmetics. Look at all these pretty colors.
After that, it's sweatproof, waterproof.
We're at Stab.
For the last 24 hours. There we go.
You did it that fast? It took 2 seconds.
Same one, we flip it and again line it up to the high point of her brow. Right here. And start brushing going against the green. And back. And that's all we do. It's so quick, it's super easy to do. Super, super easy. So it's a little compact kit.
You guys, I found this new brand, and the owner here, he has all of these beautiful concealers. Okay, so the owner's here, and she's going to tell us a little bit about her brand, okay? Say hey.
Hi.
And you're going to tell them about your brand.
Hi, my name is Herrera Musa. I'm the founder of Herrera Cosmetic. So Herrera Cosmetic line is a line for all women, all colors, regardless of age or complexion or the skin condition. But what we're really known and proud of is the yellow-orange undertone, because a lot of the brands have the yellow-pink undertone. When it comes to Caucasian women, it works very well. It doesn't change, but when it comes to women of color, when you wear it at first it looks great, but when you leave few hours it then oxidizes and start looking chalky or ashy. So we went a step further, being who I am, a woman of color, I understand. So we created a foundation, concealer, powders in the yellow-orange undertone. That neutralizes the blue or the green without actually changing anything. What we're really known for is our dark circle corrector. So it doesn't matter what complexion you are, if you do have dark circle, you need to just use the orange, and a little bit of it is all you need.
And what's the website that they can go to buy?
www.HerreraCosmetic.com. So KHURAIRA.com.
And this is how you spell it, guys. That's how you spell it, so it'll be Carrera.com. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you.
Me too. And it's like 2 tones.
This is the duo.
Yeah. That's the dual camouflage indoor.
You know, I told her already that you wanted to find something.
Yeah. And what you do, you take like the lighter one. You know how like us, we always
the face
dark.
is more color.
Yeah. So you take the lighter one.
It doesn't look like you're wearing anything.
No.
It looks natural.
And also it doesn't move. You don't have to worry about it looking cakey. You're gonna have that glow all day long. for like, especially when we have that under eye. A little
children.
Yeah, honey.
have
Apart from children, we can't even sleep. I don't know about you, but I swear to God, 3 a.m. I'm up like a security guard.
Yeah.
I'm working so much. My brain is working. So you can actually take that.
So we're doing the before.
So usually I like where we are darker. All women of color like that. We always darker around, like outer,
The
and then
perimeter.
lighter in the inside.
Okay.
So we're gonna take the darker shade of the two, and we are going to do the outer perimeter of the face.
Okay.
You know, wherever you want to go heavier with the coverage, you can just use a smaller brush, especially if you want to cover some imperfections.
spots. Okay.
Yeah, you know, and just go in. So that way you're not really caking the makeup, but look at how it like literally makes it disappear. You know? But still, her skin is breathing, and that's the most important. Like, you know, you see here, you don't see makeup.
Exactly.
You know?
That's how she is. That's
Yeah,
who she is.
you know?
Right, Kia?
Kia is not happy with you.
She is so mad that she's my puppy today, and then tomorrow's my aunt. She doesn't know yet. You'll meet my aunt tomorrow.
Oh, she's gonna be.
And she will be right here. She's coming barefaced. No makeup. She's
tell
coming
her to-
barefaced.
yeah, tell her
And
to
she
come.
wants to find a foundation.
Yes,
so.
yes. I like using the dual
Yes.
for us because it really give you two options.
Yeah.
You can, you know what I mean? You can
Your skin
blend the
looks
color.
really healthy, Kia.
And
It looks really healthy.
instead of you going to go get a foundation that makes you look ashy, you can get the two and kind of custom blend it to help out. Well, like someone like here, she really doesn't even have to do the
She doesn't need too
corrector.
much, yeah.
But if she wants to, especially look up for me, honey. Especially if you have those sleepless nights,
Yeah.
where you're like, oh Lord, the kids. How old are your kids?
She had little ones.
Oh girl.
She has little ones, a baby.
Oh no.
10, 8, 3,
She-
What?
10, 8, 3,
And baby.
baby 1.
Oh.
Yep.
Okay.
So she has the sleepless
does-
nights.
Lots of them too.
So she used the orange corrector first, and now she's going back into the dual.
The dual. And I'm using the lighter,
The lighter
of the
now.
dual.
Okay.
So we're gonna also
It
go
looks really
around
good.
the.
Kia, you look like a little doll, baby.
So now we're gonna take the
She's so
darker
done with me.
of that. And we're
And
gonna
it's just a little.
little goes
a
along
little.
with. It's very, very rich. It's very, very emollient.
real light.
Yeah.
It's very light.
Uh-huh. And you don't feel it, right? You know what it is? I don't like it. I'm a makeup artist, but I do not like heavy makeup. So for me, you will never find me wearing a powder.
Where are you going? You guys, we're at day 2, and Aunt Tammy is getting her makeup done.
Look at that now, just using the.
Oh, wow.
You see that?
Let me see.
I didn't even put a concealer on first.
Wow.
Yeah.
Let me see.
You
Show the camera. Good.
So just like
She's
those
color
areas,
correcting.
yeah, those areas, just tap, 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 tap.
Wow.
Use your ring finger and warm it, and you know, put on your foundation over. It doesn't change the color. It keeps it on. But in the summer, if you don't feel like doing much,
We're back at my
you can
favorite
just
booth,
do-
guys.
You guys just do the
Back here at Carrara.
bronzer,
Okay.
and it will just give you.
And I'm at day 2.
My first job, I was able to do teleprompting, and I was super excited. I was like, okay, let's do this. I went on this whole press tour with her, and it was incredible. She loved it, but you know, I was nervous as an artist, and I wasn't sure if I really did a good job. But I kept pushing, and I kept going, and I kept saying yes to every job, yes to every artist that needed my help. And it was a great thing that I did that because I learned along the way. That was my story.